Hello guys. So I haven't posted quickly. Well, actually I posted. So I got the news pack. This is actually Sophia in her adult AU. So, and she's working as a daycare in the daycare. So that's the recap. Let's get started. Oh, okay. Yeah, first off, if I screw up, I get banned. First I should start really clean the floor, you know. What's this pair doing them here? Well, I mean, it looks fresh, so just use it. Blah blah blah. Pretend I cleaned all of it. Okay, and I need to continue mopping, making this really clean for the kiddos. Oh wait, what's this tag say? Made for walls. Oh. Okay, anyway. I actually just did the new walling. Do you guys like it? No, I don't mean like I actually made a design. I mean like I painted not the dust. I'll get under the rug. And that should be it. Next up is making sure we have jam. Okay, we have enough jam. Sorry that my voice is zoning out. I'm just grabbing the plushies that fell on the floor. Okay, then to tidy everything up. This should be out here. Go there, open that up. Should be in there. This duck, my favorite, should be in there. Bathroom looks tidy. Okay, the kids should start coming in, so. Sorry. Okay, here's Jenny and Amelia. Thank you. Okay, so are you Jenny? Yes. Are you Amelia? Yes. Okay, so just gonna leave your backpacks up there. If you need anything, let me know. Oh, come on. I want the thing closed. Okay, I see house lunch. The lunch is going here. Okay, can I put my pouch in there? Is that lunch bag? Yeah. Yes, you can. So, for now, you guys can play. Ooh, do you want to play Weibo? Yeah. Okay, here's Dexter and Jack. Are you Dexter? Yes, I am. Are you Jack? You can count on it. Alright. If they are being bad, let me know. Okay, guys, I think I might just do some funny parts. Where do I put this? On my head? Dexter! Jack, you don't put that on your head. I put it up there. So boring. Dexter, that's not boring. That's Dexter. No, I'm telling you we're the wrong lane. Jack, you're not supposed to put it up there. Aw, well, Dexter have some lunch, so let's put it down there. Okay, you two can play for now. Ooh, let's see what I can make. Come on, come out. What are you doing? I swear, if my entire Toca Boca reset it again, I am going to be so angry. Okay, everything looks in place. Now for the scary part. Oh my god, yes. Where are the kids? Oh. Grabbing Dexter and Jack, Jenny and Amelia. Guys, I am so sorry about that. But I'm giving that as in one group. Okay, Dexter and Jenny, you're just gonna put your backpacks up there, okay? Now, I'm gonna put it on my head. Jack, you don't put it on your head. Yes, I do. Oh, just go play. Ooh, drying out. Hi, Amelia. Hello. What you gonna do? Bubbles! Oh, no. You're not supposed to blow the bubbles, honey. Oh. You take your hood off? Yeah. Oh, the dad has a real cute. Okay, I'm gonna go play. Ooh, slime. Slime. Slime won't come out! The slime won't come. Are you kidding me? So much slime. That was quite tasty. Like, okay, but guys, why did Tukabuka allow us to eat Play-Doh? My octopus looks funny. You want to pace me? Yeah, go press one. I'll press one next. What is with my hair off? Hi Dexter. Okay, lunch. Oh, are you okay? Do you want a cracker? I want a cracker. No. Can I play with you? Yeah, sure. Let's build a bird. Thank you. Her name's Ava. Hi, Ava. Hi. Who's that with your mom? No, that's my grandma. Ooh, your grandma? Yeah. Do you like my chicken? Yes. Now go play. Ooh. Hey, do you want to play this with me? Play what? Play this. I think I know where they are. Why is it empty? Move. Can you move? No. Move. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna grab the veggies because those are the people, you know. I want the tomato. I want the carrot. I want the eggplant. Okay. Hi. Okay, here's one at a time. This is Max. Maxwell? That's Haley and that's Bailey. Ha! Their names rhyme. Haley Bailey. Or they don't, I don't know. My real name is actually Haley, not Bailey. Oh, okay. What's your name again? Maxwell. And I'm Haley. She's Kaylee. I know. Okay. So, I'm going to get you out. I have to put you down. Can everyone come down and sit? Okay. Yay. Okay. Miss Sophia. Where's my chair? Oh, your chair. Oh, shoot. I'll pull it up. Or there's a chair out of thin air. What? Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, so I'm your new daycare attendant. My name is Miss Sophia, or you can call me Miss Sophia. Miss Sophie, that's fine. So today, for the first day, we have we have nap time, breakfast, playtime, and yeah. So if you want, you can play outside or inside. You guys want to be friends? Yeah. If you didn't know, this is a reference to my actual friend group. Except the hairs are different. Ooh, guys, I know. This should be the secret kid club. With kids that know magic can come up here. Yeah! And what if we could sit up there? I don't know. Maybe we can. Okay, let's see if these things can sit up here. No, they can't. Who's gonna be the winner? I can be the winner because I came up with it first. Oh, cool. Sorry that I can't weird. Okay. So this should be the top secret area. And this is mine. This is mine. And this is mine. To kiss a record? Alright. Table rainbows. Can you go outside or inside? Ooh, let's play this. Yeah, I go first. What? No, I lost already. Huh? But it's okay. Let's retry. Okay, I go first. Okay, I'm going to choose this one up here. No, I mean, that one. Okay, do this one. What? What happened? It bit my hand and it won't let go. It hurts. Oh, so I'll fix it. Okay. Bang, this is my answer. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang. Okay, it's okay. Let me look at your hand. Okay, I do not actually have any band-aids in there because I checked someone and got this. It's okay, just gonna rinse with water. Rinse with water. Hold on. Okay, then. There's your hands. Okay. It's okay, let me see. Yeah. Okay, let's keep playing and I know what to stop. Because if it starts shaking, then that means we need to stop. Okay, so the tigers can go inside. Or outside. Let's go outside. Wee. Hey, do you want to play some sand for me? Yeah, sure. Let's go outside. Okay, since I'm going outside, I have to come outside to watch over you guys. Ooh, let's go up here. No! Huh? You cannot go up here. Huh? How? You cannot go up here. This is the Magic Kids Club. Only kids who know magic can come up here. Yeah! Also, this is just a game. Yeah, so we aren't actually attacking you. Okay, can I play? Yeah! Everyone can play. Oh, did you hear that? Oh, yeah, let's go play. Can we play? Yes, you can. I want to play. Okay, let's see. Since you came up there first, you can join us. And you guys are the enemy group. So your base is over there. Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's play no evil attacks on them. Yes. So let's grab some toys. So, Miss Sophia got them for him, aka me, the slave. Okay, we have lots of weapons. I have the shield. I will help you guys and block them. Guys, let's get ready for the most ultimate attack. Yeah! We will fight until the end. Okay, guys, are you ready? Yeah! Kids being kids. Attack! Yeah! What's the head of that? Attack! I got the high ground! You will lose! No! Where's my weapon? Where's my weapon? Ooh! This can work! Bubbles! Attack! I will save you, don't worry. One, go! Ah! Fake it in. But it's Miss Sophia fixes it. Guys, she's actually dead. No, I'm not. We're playing. I'm fake dead. Okay. After a little bit of play. Alright, guys, you have to go. We have to go eat lunch. Aww. But okay. That was super fun. My gosh. Wait, Sabotage! Ha! Let's put a surprise down there. Okay, group tigers. I think this was group tigers. I forgot. Part one. See you. Sorry, that was actually kind of short. Hello.